Chase? Something's making me... Sneezy. Come on, monster. Let's get you home. Uh-oh. And that's the sound they make together.
Okay, I've got a scent. And a big feather. Huh? I'm not so sure about that. Ryder, it's moving.
Alex packed his lunch in there. Guess who's having his tuna sandwich for breakfast?
Achoo! Callie.
Hey, I'm trying to spy around here.
Keep looking up there, Chase.
Found her!
Great work, Chase.
And her feathers.
Don't lose her, Chase.
I'd help plant the flowers too, but
what, Chase?
achoo! I'm a little allergic.
I can help.
Help. Oops. Marshall. Achoo!
Awesome.
Thanks, Chase. So who was firing the yarn balls?
Achoo!
Are you okay, Chase?
It's just my kitten allergy.
Kittens?
I got it. You got it.
Excuse me. Must be my allergies or something. Achoo! Chase is on the... achoo! Excuse me. Achoo! Hang on, Chase. Must be my allergies acting up. We'll know soon enough. Thermometer! Say off. What? Chase, you caught a cold. Sorry, Chase.
Now I will. Achoo!
Oh, sorry, Sensei. I'm a little allergic to achoo! Kittens. Garby. Pig. Achoo! You okay, Chase? I'm achoo! Fine. Just one thing that makes me sneeze like that. Kittens. I've never been the guardian of anything before.
Thanks, Sensei Yumi.
Achoo!
And no student has ever been as alert as you.
Achoo! Excuse me. Allergies. No.
is kittens. Ow! Achoo! Where did that come from? I'll get to the bottom of this. Gotcha! Achoo! All right, kittens. License and register. Achoo! This is as close as my nose lets me get. You've all been such good pups. Achoo! Sorry, there's kitten for every. Achoo! Thanks for catching me, Mayor Humdinger.
You're welcome, Chase.
I can try. Ouch! That's gonna leave some lint. Too much yarn. Too many kittens. Achoo! Achoo! Achoo!
Kittens, come back here.
I'm smelling something too. It's achoo! Kitten allergies? Yes.
Chase, can you smell anything? Achoo! My allergies say the kittens have definitely gone this way. Where'd that yarn come from? Achoo!
Chili powder?
Worse. Achoo! Kittens. It's just a toy. Uh-oh. Kittens. I'm allergic to them. Achoo! Uh-oh. Achoo! Gotta turn the alarm off. Achoo! I know somebody who loves yarn balls. Actually, 6 somebodies. Achoo! Definitely kittens. Wait! It looks like someone's inside of it. It's the achoo! 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 The Kitten Catastrophe crew? Yep, them. Chase, have you picked up a scent? Achoo! Definitely kittens. Achoo! What's this? It must have come from the machine. The kitties are definitely here, Ryder. And some yarn, too. Look. Super job, Sky. Now lower it. Amazing rescue. Achoo! Let's get these kitties back to Mayor Humdinger.
Well, it's about time.
Achoo!
Now come here, kitties. What took you so long?
Please give it back. I definitely hear something going on in there. Achoo! Use your drones to see if they have the piñata.
Bye! Achoo! There goes my kitty allergies again. Aren't there usually 6 kittens?
Chase, look, my scanning police tool found something. Good detective work, Rocky. Achoo! Kitten fur. It's a winter hat, only kitty-sized. Aw, so tiny and cute. And check these out. Achoo! Train wheels? But why would he take the wheels off? Smells like squid jerky. This has got to be Captain Turbot's camera. Achoo! There goes my kitten allergy. The tiger must be here too. Tiger? Do you think they slid down there? You think the tiger did too? Achoo! No, that big cat went this way.
Hang on, time for a ride. Hi, Mama. Achoo!
Must be my kitten allergy. Kittens? My turn! Guess what I am? Roar!
Oh, I know. A duck. No, wait, a butterfly. No, wait, a lion.
That's achoo! Ugh! I'm even allergic to pretend cats? Let's see if they left any clues behind. Ruff! Goggles! Ryder! I see some paw prints. Achoo! Kittens! Mayor Hunzinger must be behind the heist. Oh yeah, I smell bunnies, a deer, a raccoon, a beaver, achoo, and kittens? There they are! Pull over, kittens! Now give back those, achoo, goats! Kitten allergies.
Thanks for getting here so quickly, Mighty Pups. Somehow Mayor Humdinger's kitties got superpowers.
Kitties with superpowers? That makes me super sneezy just thinking about it. Achoo!
They're causing problems all over Adventure Bay. It'll take you Mighty Pups and your super paws to stop them.